writing teacher, and I'm going to be starting a couple of series, an art series as well as a writing of the spiritual journey series, which is kind of what this class is connected to. We have everyday objects that may be mass produced, like this little guy, but somehow that object becomes sacred to us because of something it means, the person who gave it to us, what it's been in our lives. This character here, Yukon Cornelius, part of a Christmas special that I'm sure everybody has seen. Why is this object sacred to me? I lived in the Yukon for 10 years. I took this character at some point in my life, and like about 3 or 4 years ago, and turned him into a collection of new art and did his further adventures. It meant something to me. I identified with him. So this doll that also traveled with me to the Yukon once, he's become sacred. How did this happen? Why does this one have a sacred value to me and others may not? That is something I'd like to explore with you, about how we make objects sacred. Maybe we can share some of the objects that are sacred to us and why they're sacred. We can write about that in our workshop, but maybe we can come up with a definition or an idea of how we create that sacredness in these objects and how we can purposefully make objects sacred for other people. If you'd like to join us, there are 8 spots in this class. It's coming up soon, and see all the information that's connected to this video. And yeah, I will see you there, and we will write about your sacred objects. It'd be great if you could bring some of your sacred objects to class, or take a photograph of those sacred objects so that you can talk about them in the class and share that with other people. Anyway, this is a beginning writing class. You don't have to have a lot of experience writing. You just have to enjoy it, and maybe have some objects that you've made sacred and want to explore how those got that way. How we create sacredness in objects, in people, in the places that we go, but specifically in this class, how we take objects and make them sacred. So I hope you'll join us with all the other writers, and we'll explore this together. Thanks so much.